by far my most chaotic video I probably have ever filmed. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am super excited to film today's video. I'm ready to finally transform my kitchen into a fall extravaganza. By the time you're seeing this video, you should have already seen my entryway decorating video. So hopefully you have watched that. If not, make sure you go back and watch it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. And this will be by far my most chaotic video I probably have ever filmed. I am super short on time. I decided at the last minute that I was going to film in here and decorate. So I think I have about 30-ish minutes from start to finish until it'll be time to get the kids from school, which I know I'm not gonna be able to completely finish, but I should be able to get hopefully a majority of this done. So let's get started. Okay, my plan is to work from the top down to make things go a little bit faster. I got these from the Dollar Tree years ago. I've never used them, so my plan is to put it on there. I think that'd be really cute. Have these fairy lights, but I don't know where all my batteries are right now. I am sweating. When I get a chance, I will put the fairy lights on the rest of the cabinet. And I say it looks like I don't have, you know, hold on. I know I said they're not twins, but it doesn't even look like there's much, I told you it was gonna be chaotic. It doesn't look like there's much over here on this side. So I need to do something. Today I'm using this Scentiva Lavender and Jasmine Clorox. Don't judge, this is not a deep clean, okay? Today, it's not. I am just... camera because I always struggle with this. But I got it up there. I had to trim it because it's a little too long. And then let's move on over here to my tier tray and the coffee mug holder. I don't know. Over here.
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go, yeah. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go.
Okay, I think this is coming along super, super cute. But I am going to add some of this. Let's see.
It's difficult, I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help, no. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over.
Super, super cute. I love it. I just got this not that long ago, actually, from Target, the little stand. I knew I wanted this for fall decor and for Christmas decor. So that's why I picked it up, because I knew it would be a great addition over here. And I think this came out super, super cute too. I am loving it. Definitely, definitely. Super cute. All right, now let's move on.
Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go, yeah. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're done.
Alright, so I definitely failed miserably with trying to get most of the decorating done in here earlier before the kids got out of school. It is 9:30 now, so let's see what else I can do over here. Since I put a little kitchen towel, I'll show you in a second, in my mixer. I gotta figure out what else I want to do over here. And then I also added the fairy lights to the rest of the cabinets up there. So
too late. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips.
Y'all, I really do love these stems, but they are getting on my last nerve. They're so pretty and whimsy, but very, very, very annoying.
It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real
Okay, I'm actually kind of struggling here.
It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite area of the kitchen is and what you're looking most forward to this fall. All right, I will see you guys back here soon for more videos. Bye.